A silent virus has struck the world in 2019. There is no single place stay unaffected. The usual daily person-to-person contact has become so far away since then. People cannot live their lives as active as before. Let's take a look at last video.
We cannot show you the new product. We cannot discuss with you face to face. But we have a new way for the business. We call Piclite on call.
We used to meet each other face to face for mutual business communication, but due to this virus, everything has changed. All travel, exhibition, and personal visits are stopped, so business functions are influenced deeply. Piclite is launching a service team via internet at your service. Please call us anytime, anywhere. We are on call all the time. You can make an appointment to contact Piclite through WhatsApp, email, Emo, Zoom, Google Meet, Facebook.
Morning, how are you? I would like to tell you the difference of the product. Look.
Hello, Piclite on call.